What is the pathway to net zero for industrial applications? It includes stable power for all. Mitsubishi Power's H-25 gas turbine is part of the decarbonization solution. Currently, the coal-fired boiler and turbine cogeneration is among the most popular in the world. Replacing the steam power plant with an H-25 gas turbine cogeneration plant has the potential to reduce CO2 emissions nearly 70% and energy consumption by 43%. Using dynamic thermal energy as its foundation, the H-25 gas turbine cogeneration system uses waste heat to supply steam from the HRSG. This simple and elegant methodology increases the overall efficiency of the plant to 84%. Well suited for industrial cogeneration, H-25 is a robust and reliable gas turbine, flexible in burning a wide range of fuels. Manufactured in Hitachi Works of Japan, advanced technical capabilities and strict quality control have enabled us to meet the diverse needs of our customers worldwide for more than 30 years. Mitsubishi Power is performing validation of the H-25 on zero-carbon fuels by performing advanced combustion technology testing for hydrogen and ammonia at state-of-the-art facilities in Japan to support the energy transition. Ammonia direct combustion is under development. Once verified, H-25 will be capable of burning ammonia directly without cracking. With over 200 units of H-25 gas turbines already delivered to customers worldwide, Mitsubishi Power continues its legacy of reliability and deliverability. An H-25 equipped with Tomoni, Mitsubishi Power's integrated suite of digital products and service-based solutions, will help increase profitability while reducing emissions. The H-25 gas turbine is ready to deliver stable operation to decarbonize plants across the globe by transitioning from carbon-intensive to zero-carbon fuels.